सरकार इसमें इतना लापरवाही किया है. They have not seen how the arrangements are done, how many people are gathering, and after that also, first they celebrated after this very, very, very tragic incident, first incident, they celebrated in front of Vidhan Sauda. All senior police officers were there. And another celebration was done after another 8 people died, means total it became 11. After that, celebration was done in Chinnaswamy Kridangan, Chinnaswamy Stadium. तो क्या इतना भी सेंस नहीं है सरकार को ये बंद करा के श्रद्धांजलि करके, और अभी सब कर्नाटका स्टेट क्रिकेट बोर्ड के ऊपर डालने का कोशिश चल रहा है.
सर किसकी जवाबदारी है?
Sir, also Siddaramaiah has equated this stampede with Kumbh stampede, saying that there had been many stampedes. Was there this? How do you react to such a statement?
See, one is comparing to any Kumbh, or you cannot escape your responsibility. So Kumbh and these are totally uncomparable. First of all, when police denied, why did you force them to give the permission? Second point, my second question to Siddaramaiah is, after the occurrence of the death, you continued your celebration. Why did your deputy chief minister went to receive them? ये क्या है? ये सरकार का काम है. ये उप मुख्यमंत्री जाते हैं, सभी अपने अपने बेटे और पोते पोती सबको लेके आके why this celebration at 4 o'clock? मैं तो एक all sensitive environmental कोई कैसे नहीं ले इधर आप नहीं judicial, and when police denied, who forced them to give the permission? These are all the questions which government has to reply, and the most insensitive government. And this is when some, ये तो हम लोगों को जो पॉलिटिशियंस को, जब वो एक अगर हमको किसी के टीम के ऊपर अभिमान है तो हम एक ट्वीट करके एक बाइट देके हम सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं. जाके हम ही सेलिब्रेशन में खड़े होना और बाकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कोई ध्यान नहीं देना, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर तक कोई ध्यान नहीं देना, दिस इज टोटली लापरवाही है एंड हाईली कंडेमेबल, and there should be a judicial inquiry, and CM has said there will be a state inquiry. We don't agree with that. There should be judicial inquiry. Anybody else, more than anybody else, government is squarely responsible. Both CM and Deputy CM, they are responsible.
So what do you make of the statement by Mr. Siddaramaiah when he said that he did not expect such a crowd, government did not expect such a crowd, it exceeded expectation?
No. That's why police had said, no, we are, even Mr. Ashok, who is the leader of opposition, he has also said that police were not in favor of giving the permission for the celebration. And even they were demanding the open vehicle, that is open jeep celebration. That was also denied. Luckily, at least that much was done. But these people insisted, forced and made, and they themselves, they were trying to शो कि उनके साथ खड़े होने से हमको भी कुछ प्रचार मिलेगा, ऐसे वो जाके उन लोगों के साथ खड़े होके फोटो ले रहे थे. तो टोटल इररिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट हैज बीन एग्जिबिटेड शेमलेसली.
आपको लगता है कि बीसीसीआई को भी जवाब मांगना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन प्लेयर्स की लाइफ को भी रिस्क हो सकता है अगर इस तरह का स्टैंड?
वो भी हो गया. वो जहां तक मुझे वो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिला है, कोहली को अगर बहुत ही लोग उनके ऊपर पड़ गए, जो हमारे जो मंत्री, मुख्यमंत्री, उप मुख्यमंत्री और ब्यूरोक्रेट्स के जो संबंधी लोग थे, रिलेटिव्स, दे ऑल ट्राई टू go for a selfie with him and they pushed him. Ultimately, I think he went off the procession. This is what I am being told.
सर आप सरकार में खुद भी रहे हैं, आपको भी पता है कि जब इस तरह का इंसिडेंट होता है तो टॉप कॉप्स शुड नॉट बी स्टैंडिंग एंड ग्रैंड स्टैंडिंग विद द मुख्यमंत्री.
That was what happening. I in my initial remark itself said majority of the major police officers, they were there with the chief minister for the celebration in front of Vidhan Sabha. This government, that itself is a insensitiveness and shamelessness.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.